Hey guys, how are you all? This is the fifth video on SAP 2000 for beginners, and in this video I'll be talking about how to define the loads. Alright, so before going into that, let me first give you a short recap of what we have done so far. Okay, so first we define the materials, and after that we define the beams, column and slabs, and we drew this model. So this is our modeling final model of our building. All right, okay, so once you complete your modeling, go to uh, z is equal to 0 level, and click your left mouse button here, right at this position, and drag all the way through up to here like this, and release the left mouse button like this. Alright, so you're gonna see these star marks. Okay, so after that, go to assign and click on joint, click on restraints, and click on this one, so fix restraint. Alright, so what we are doing here is that we are fixing the building on the ground, so the building doesn't stay on the ground, just like that. We need to fix the building these columns into the ground. Okay, so this is what we are doing here, and click on OK. Alright, so now our building has been fixed onto the ground. Alright, okay, so assign and clear display of assigns. Alright, so okay, so so after completing your model, go you need to tell SAP what kind of load your structure is subjected to. For that, go to define and click on load patterns. Alright, so here it says load pattern name, type and self-weight multiplied. So load pattern name is dead. So for example, let us take this column as an example. Alright, so this column has dead weight, right? So self weight. Alright, so load pattern name dead represents that self weight. Okay, so that self weight is the dead load, so the type is dead here, and self weight multiplier 1. It means that SAP will calculate the self weight of this column, not only this column but all the columns, beam and the slab. Alright, okay, so SAP will calculate the value of dead load of all those structures for you, so because we have given self weight multiplier as 1. Alright, so next load the building will be subjected is wall load. Alright, so the type is dead and the self-weight multiplier is 0. So it means that whatever the load, the wall load the building is subjected to will be given manually. So we have to give the value of the wall load. SAP won't do that for you. Okay. Alright, so the next load is floor finish. Floor finish, it's dead load and self-weight multiplier is 0. Alright, next is partition. Click on add. Another is parapet wall. Click on add. Now we go for the live, and it's live, add. Then we go for the roof live. The roof of a building is subjected to different intensity of live load as compared to other floors. That is why we define it separately. Alright, so click on add. Then comes the earthquake load, EQX, earthquake load in X direction. Type is very quick, and self-weight multiplier is 0, and auto lateral load pattern is user loads. Alright, add. And next is EQY, that is earthquake load in Y direction, and new load pattern. Alright, so so for this instance, we're gonna take only this much of loads. Alright, so if your building is subjected to other kind of loads, for example, wind load, so you have to consider that load as well. Alright, so if your building is not subjected to any of these loads, for example, if your building is not subjected to floor finish, you can omit this. Alright, so click on OK then. Okay, so this is how you define the loads. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, hit like and subscribe for more awesome videos. Thank you.